Hi everyone, welcome back to Glama's Latin Beauty Journal. Today I'm going to be doing 3 unboxings, 1 Beauty Box 5 unboxing and 2 Ipsy bag unboxings. And here's my Beauty Box 5 one. If any of y'all are interested in getting makeup from Beauty Box 5, just go to beautybox5.com. I've got the card right here. So this unboxing is from May this month. So let me try to read the card. I don't have my glasses on, so please excuse me. I'm going to probably struggle a little bit. It says, when you're in a beauty bind, it's nice to find products that have your back and your face. Forget distress. Our SOS stands for Super Outstanding Skin, which is what we're all about this month. Give May a 1-2 punch of complexion-saving finds that give you a quick makeup fix, pops of color, and major moisture in a snap. Okay, so that's the card for the Beauty Box 5 this month. So this is the stuff that's going to come in it. Okay, so first, I've already looked inside of it. I don't usually like to look inside until I unbox it with y'all, but I was just so excited this month. I just wanted to see what was in it. So first, it says Bio Swiss stainless steel mini tweezers. They retail for $4.99. So here's some little mini tweezers, and it has its little it has its own little, oh, what do you call it, container, so you can just throw it in your bag, in your handbag, and you can have a nice set for home, and you can have a little set for when you're on the go and you notice that little hair that's out of place. See how to open it. So I think it's kind of cool, and they look like they're really good tweezers. Oh, it's got a little lock on it right now. It's got a little rubber band, but yeah, look, it's really thin. I like these really thin ones because they get the hairs really good. So yay, and they're kind of heavy for as little as they are. So it's a Bio Swiss tweezer, and it comes in its own little container, so you can just throw it in your makeup bag. Okay, so that retails for $4.99. And then next, I will show you the Coastal Scents Classic Synthetic Brush that retails between $1.95 to $2.49. And this is the little Coastal Scents brush. I haven't opened it yet. Curious to see how it feels. It feels nice. It doesn't feel harsh or anything. It feels nice and soft. So this is the brush. There, can you see it? Yeah. And it's the BRC SO1 brush. Alrighty, yay! I love brushes. Brushes are one of my favorite things to get. Brushes, lipstick, and stuff for the eyes. Okay, so let me see what's next. Okay, so next is the blush / highlighter stick that retails for $5.99, and it's a 0.21 ounce. You know what that means? That means I have another subscriber. Yay! Thank you for subscribing. That whenever I get a new subscriber, I actually made sure that my phone gave me a happy whistle, because it makes me happy when I get a new subscriber, because getting subscribers it motivates me to keep putting fresh content on here, because I know that there's people watching, so I want to give y'all what you want to see. So if there's ever a video that you want me to make, just leave it down below, and I will see about getting that made for you. Okay, what color is this in? I don't even know if it has a color. Let me see. It says it's in the color Pretty in Pink. Aw, how cute. It's pretty in pink, and this is what it looks like. I still have a little bit of nail art left from last week. See? You should try it. Let me try it. And then blend, blend, blend. Where's my blending brush? That's a pretty color. Oh, I like it. It's just a subtle little kiss of color. I think I have more on that other side. Oh, I like it. Pretty. I like it. Yay, I'm going to be using this a lot, I think. Sorry, had to disappear. I dropped my tweezers. Okay, and the next thing is it's Dermalogica, that's what it is. It's Age Smart Multivitamin Hand and Nail Treatment, and it retails for $26 when you've got, I think, the full size. This is a full size 2.5 ounce, retails for $26. This is a much smaller size. This is just a trial size, but I'm anxious to try it because I'm 50 and I need stuff to keep my hands looking young, because I'm a crochet teacher and on YouTube, and my hands are always on the camera, so I want to keep my hands nice and young looking, because that's what's always on camera, are my hands. All right, let me see. I think there's one thing left. It's an Ahava 3 sample pack. Let me see what that is. It says My Skin Reborn, and it says Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, and this one is Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin, and this one is Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. Ooh, I want to try that. Take all the dead skin off my face. Yay! So that's my Beauty Box 5 for May. And I've got 2 Ipsys to open with you. One from last month and one from this month. So yay! So that's my Beauty Box 5. Alright. Now on to my Ipsy bags. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Look at the bag. It's so pretty. It's like out of, oh, what would you call it? Like those beach mats that you lay down to lay on. It's kind of like out of straw, but it's so cute. Look at that. Pretty. Let's see what's in it. Okay, so this is Ultra Light Face Lotion. It says a non-greasy everyday moisturizer. Clean skin for a radiant life. I wonder why it came in a little bag. Maybe so that it wouldn't, so if it did leak or something, it wouldn't get into our pretty makeup bag. I think I'll make my other Ipsy bag a separate video, because I don't want this video too long. So I'll put this month on a separate one. Ooh, it feels really nice and rich. It feels soft. Smells good too. Yay, I need hand lotions. All right, so there's that. And what's this? Oh, I think it's an eyeshadow. See? Oh, it's like a little book. How adorable. It's like a little book. It's a cute color. Let me see if I can get close without getting too out of focus. See? It's like a little book. And there's the color. Let me see if I can see what the color is called. Oh, it's called Flirty. So I'm sure you already saw that when I had it up close. See, it's called Flirty. What a nice color. Let me see if I can try this on my skin. See if we can find a spot on my... Ooh, it's like a nice natural color. Can't see it very good, right? Oh, you can kind of see it, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice color, and it's got like a little shimmer to it. I like it, and it closes magnetically. Listen. It's got a cute little closure. I love it. Okay, so I'll be using that for sure. That's something I'll definitely use. Okay, what's this? Hikari? Is that how you say that? Hikari? It looks... Oh, it's blush, and it's called Tango. It's in the color Tango. Let's see. I love to see what the packaging looks like. Sometimes I fall more in love with the packaging than anything. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I already tried on blush, or else I would try this on too. But maybe I can put a sample on my hand. So here's what it looks like. Ooh, it's very pigmented. Let me see if I can find a spot. Oh yeah, you can see it right there. Pretty. Let me see, where should I put some blush just so you can see what it looks like on me? How about like a little bit right here? Oh, let me just use my brush. There's a little, oh, you can, it's really pink. I put too much on the brush. But that way you can kind of see it in action. I usually put bronzer there, not blush. Let me blend it. Cool. You can kind of see it, right? Awesome. Oh, you can really see it when I get further away from the camera. That's nice. I like it. And it doesn't feel chalky. It feels really soft. Feels very silky. Okay, so there's one more thing in here. What is it? I think it's lips. Oh no, it's perfume. I love perfume. I have to show y'all all of my perfumes right there. I collect perfume. Ooh, what does it smell like? Ooh, it's a roller ball. It's a roller ball. I like it. At first it almost smells like cologne, but then when the notes settle down, it's really pretty, and I don't have any perfume on today, so want to smell me? Nice. I like it. Okay, so where's the name of it so I can try to show it to you? Oh, it's just very plain right there. You can barely see it. Can you read it? No, because it's focusing on me and not on the bottle. Alright, so that's what's in my May's Beauty Box 5, and that's what's in my April's Ipsy bag. But I love Ipsy because I love all the bags that you get. You can switch it out. The month you get a bag, that can be your bag of the month. And you've got lotion, you've got blush, you've got perfume. You can just use all this stuff that came that month and try it out for the month. Okay, so the little eyeshadow, the little blush. Actually, that's like a full-size blush. And the hand lotion. And my perfume. I love it. Alright guys, so I will go ahead and put all this stuff away, and then I will do my next video, which is this month's Ipsy bag for May. I love this bag. I wish it wasn't made out of cloth though. I'm already giving you a little spoiler. It's made out of cloth, and I wish it wasn't, because sometimes you've got makeup on your hands and I don't want the makeup to get it dirty because I love the bag so much. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to put all this stuff away, and then I'll get my other Ipsy bag and I'll make another video to show you what came in this month. But if y'all haven't joined Ipsy.com or gotten a subscription yet, I think it's like $100 for a year, but you get some cool stuff, yeah, and things that you normally wouldn't try, you get to try it, and if you like it, then you can go buy the full size of it. But you get hair products, skin products, makeup, you get everything. You get a lot of stuff, and you get a free bag. Alright, I love my Beauty Box 5, and I think Beauty Box 5 is $10 a month, so you have a choice between 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, I believe, so go check them out. Alright, talk to y'all later, my beauties. I will get ready for my next one. Alright guys, don't forget I love you. Bye. Mwah.